Title: Grunt, the vocal expression of exertion. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grunt. To grunt is a verb that signifies the act of making a short, deep sound, often involuntarily, while exerting physical effort or strain. It represents the vocalization of exertion and hard work. Pronunciation: pronouncing grunt is simple, ɡrʌnt, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, when lifting a heavy object, it's common to grunt to express the effort required. Importance: grunting is a natural way for individuals to release tension and communicate the physical strain they are experiencing during strenuous activities. Conclusion: in summary, grunt is a word that represents the vocal expression of physical exertion and hard work, helping individuals manage the effort required for various tasks. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the significance of grunting in managing strenuous physical efforts.